KP2 and KP3, we do have the cases now here, and yes, there are anecdotal reports of heavier feelings and all. However, we see that the bed occupancy rates are still the same. They're still around, playing around the 15%. 14% of COVID-19 ICU beds, 15% of total COVID-19 beds. This is important, Sean, Gretchen, and Maricel. Kasi when we say that the variant is mild, we have the evidence with us. Even the hospitals themselves are saying they are seeing increases in mild cases, but their ICU beds are not getting filled up. And that is good news for us.
Okay, clarify lang natin. And then for those who are maybe more at risk, those who have other comorbidities, yung senior citizens, small children, are they also, you know, as the usual case with COVID, are they more at risk for getting a severe case?
So the cases we are observing that turn out to be severe and critical, sila yung mga, to begin with, merong mga comorbidities. They were brought to the hospital because of something else. And then when they were tested at the hospital, the doctors found out that, incidentally, they also have COVID-19. So does that mean we relax? No, it only means that we also have to be careful, especially if you are part of a vulnerable population. But we did see, or we are seeing rather, the vaccines that were given to us from before are still protective in preventing severe cases. It's just that this variant or subvariant, KP2 and KP3, they're able to evade detection, meaning the immune system doesn't recognize them that fast, so they're able to transmit that well.
So, Asek, paglilinaw lang doon, ibig bang sabihin, kailangan namin magpabakuna uli or may available na ba na vaccine to protect us from this particular variant?
Hindi rin kasi gumagawa yung manufacturers eh. You have to understand that the vaccine manufacturers are business people at the end of the day, and if they don't see a market, if no one is actually demanding for the vaccine, they won't be manufacturing. How do we know if there is a demand? If there is higher mortality and severity. Kapag mas maraming tao worldwide ang namamatay, ibig sabihin ng mga gobyerno mas bibili. Pero kung nakikita ng mga scientists natin, ng mga doctors natin, and also internationally na mild ang virus na to, ang subvariant na ito, at gumagaling naman ng kusa after 5 days, then there is no need to manufacture a new vaccine. But should they manufacture, we'll look at it and we'll cross the bridge when we get there.